Munini wa Rais Profesa Kithure Kindiki wete thirikari ni ciumitio Gukinyanira Kwa mirandi ya Caips County cia Meru, Embu, Kirinyaga, Kisii, Busia, Migori, Garissa and Wajir. Idikiarua mirandi iri akwi kurika na mathaka ya kuirekiria na mbiriti kuurwa kenda otira ni Gukinyanira no tetheria gukira kwa matura. Tugikare na kwathira tariria.
Every county to prioritize not only the construction but also the operationalisation of the Cape as a way of making the county competitive and also improving Kenya's competitiveness.
Ni migambo ya munini wa Rais Kithure Kindiki akirandira gutirime na atongira barwangirwa Iwanda kenda bakariria witi na mbere bo Caips kana industrial parks iri wa county mwanya na keria na gwetete Iwanda binana kya Meru na Embu kireo na akiuga Iwanda bine byambirite na biri akwekorekwa nekera ugete thirikari gatonyera gategate gutigira ni bekoreka buru kenda bika rugorwa bime bikai biji tembere ya muthia mwanka jo.
8 counties have made tremendous steps and progress towards finalization of their Caips, and this meeting has resolved that those 8 counties be assisted through a centralized equipment procurement program to equip their Caips for commissioning in the next few weeks before the end of this year.
Kuru kindi bigende kena ugete ne bekirete irore na biashara bakajaga Kenya. Mutaratara jura kuwa jogo kedia biashara ya intobia Kenya.
We have signed a number of international trade agreements that opens market access for Kenyan products. But some of them are quota free. You know, that means they are endless. You can export endlessly without any quota, and tariff free. China is one example. We have the economic partnership agreements with the Europe and the EU.
Mudiene kende kena ugete thirikari ya Kenya kwanza kiri manifesto jayo ne ugete gatigira county na kiwanda gike kenda gutigira mugongo ne jukura ruterene ro biashara na kinya kiuchumi.
Is the first step towards industrialization. You aggregate, you value add, and you make the first baby steps towards manufacturing. And all the countries we are looking up to, South Korea, Malaysia, except Singapore, which is based on service industry, trade and logistics and services, Malaysia, South Korea mainly, and to a large extent China, grew their economy through value addition and cottage industries.
Keri potrante to shawero rea kwa rieto ne motuge kare.